Hi, my name's Errol. I'm a gardener and I want to show you all a pair of boots that I've been sent recently to review and to wear. So they've come from an amazing company, a really small company called Gaucho Ninja. And what Gaucho Ninja do is make barefoot work boots and shoes. And I sort of began a little bit of a search really looking for a pair of barefoot work boots a while ago and found that there's very little out there. It's just so limited the amount of choice that we've got. So I was delighted when I was sent these. I want to show you what's inside the box. So essentially what you get, beautiful pair of boots with it, and you're initially sort of shown a leaflet like this that sort of describes the benefits of barefoot boots. You can sort of see there, barefoot boots allow your toes to sort of splay out, and what that does is just allows you to balance much better. Obviously there's no heel drop either in barefoot boots. They're very, very flat, and that creates good connection with the ground and good balance, good posture, and encourages the mechanics of your foot to work quite naturally rather than being artificially supported. So it encourages the strength of your foot to build up quite naturally, rather than this illustration that sort of shows the conventional boot or shoe that sort of constrains your toes. So I've had the initial wow, I've opened this box already, I couldn't wait really, but they are absolutely amazing. They're really, really beautifully crafted shoes, and this particular pair is completely handmade by the owner, Lissandro. So Lissandro sent me an app, and then I scanned my feet here at home, sent that data back to him. That's really a very simple process. And that's all the data that he required to sort of produce these boots for me. And they're stunning. So this particular pair of boots is made from a material called shell cordoban, which I'm told is naturally water resistant as well. What you can do is get a Gore-Tex liner and things like that, but I really wanted to go quite minimal on materials really, and try and keep things as natural as possible. So I've just gone for this material that is naturally water resistant. You can see also that the leather is extremely thick there, and so that will be very, very durable and last, I'm told, a lifetime. So underneath, we've got a Vibram sole with a really good grip. It's, like I mentioned before, it's very thin with no heel drop whatsoever, so nice and flat. That will encourage the mechanics of my foot to work well. That sole, what I should also say, is that can be resold by anyone. So these boots can be sent back to Gaucho Ninja and they'll resole them when they need to be resold, or that I could indeed use a local cobbler to do that. And the amazing thing about these boots is that the leather is durable, they're barefoot, but they can be resold. So then they are an investment initially, but the thing with most work boots is that you get about 6 months wear out of them before they start to sort of wear away. And then you've got no option of resoling. Most boots have a composite sole, so you've got no option but to throw them away and buy a new pair, and that's terribly wasteful. So I'm really trying to buy less and buy better to be much more sustainable. The other reason that I sort of wanted a pair of barefoot boots as a gardener is because I'm really trying to connect with the environment around me, and what better way than to have direct connection with the earth through a barefoot pair of boots. So I'm really excited to review these. I'm going to start wearing them, and then in a few months I'll come back on and tell everybody how I've been getting on. So yeah, check out Gaucho Ninja, and thank you, Lissandro.